Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to minimize YouTube on iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Head over and open up your settings app, and once you're inside your settings, here what you need to do is scroll down and then tap on the option that says general. And once you're inside general, here you will find an option that says picture in picture. Simply tap on that, and once you're inside here, what you need to do is toggle this start peep automatically. Now once you turn this on, what it does it lets you play any videos or your calls on background. So once you have toggled this on, all you gotta do is just simply go to any of the YouTube videos, and then once you swipe up, the YouTube video or any other video will be minimized. Now if that doesn't work for you, then what you can do is just simply update the YouTube app and then try again, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.